Welcome to this guided meditation. I invite you to take your time to find a comfortable position to rest for a while. Either sitting tall with your spine relaxed, or maybe lying down with your body supported. You might cover the body with a blanket, and then allowing your hands to rest gently and allow your eyes to close. When you're ready, taking a slow, deep breath in through the nose and gently exhale through the mouth. Feel the rise and fall of your belly as you breathe. This is your time, a few moments just for you, to release stress, to find stillness, and to reconnect with your inner calm. With each breath, let go of whatever you've been carrying today. Simply arrive here in this space, in this moment. Begin to notice the rhythm of your breath. Without forcing it, gently allow the inhale to expand your belly, and let the exhale soften the body. Imagine with every breath in, you're drawing in peace. And with every breath out, you're letting go of tension, stress, and worry. Breathing in calm. Breathing out release. Breathing in light. Breathing out what no longer serves you. as you continue to feel the whole body becoming more and more relaxed. Bring some awareness to the top of your head. Imagine a soft wave of relaxation flowing downwards. Soften your forehead. Unclench your jaw. Release your shoulders. Let this wave travel down your arms, chest and back, soothing every muscle. Feel your hips, legs and feet growing heavy, warm and deeply relaxed. Your entire body is supported, safe and at ease. With each breath, the body relaxes a little more. The mind grows a little quieter. Now in your mind's eye, picture yourself in a place of complete peace. Perhaps you are lying in a quiet meadow, soft grass beneath you, or resting beside the ocean, waves gently rolling in and out. Notice the details of this space, the light, the sounds, feeling of comfort and safety. Here you are whole. Here there is nothing to do, nothing to fix. Just being, breathing, resting. Let this image fill you with ease, as though every cell in your body remembers how to return to peace. Take a few more slow, deep breaths. Notice how calm, still, and centered you feel. Know that you can return to this space, to this sense of peace at any time, simply by pausing, breathing, and reconnecting. When you feel ready, begin to gently bring awareness back into your body. Maybe slowly starting to wiggle your fingers and your toes. Take a deep breath in and a slow breath out. And then taking your time to slowly blink open your eyes. Carry the sense of calm with you into the rest of your day or night. Thank you for taking this time for yourself and for joining me here on Yogalates with SJ. If this meditation brought you peace, I invite you to like, share, and subscribe so we can continue this journey together. May you feel balanced, calm, and at ease.